Hello Internet. Today we're going to be taking a look at .NET Tool. It is a part of the .NET CLI Tools that allows you to actually install development tools for .NET directly from the .NET CLI. So you don't need to go anywhere else. If you have .NET installed, this will just work. And you can use it for all sorts of things. You can use it to install PowerShell, or you can use it to install Nyancat. We're going to be using it for that second one because that's more fun. But they all kind of work the same. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and then you can do whatever you want. So the way this works is you would type .NET tool, and then either install or uninstall or one of the other options. There's a number of them here. So if we just do -- help, that's going to show things. I'm going to make this a bit bigger so you can see that. And this is sort of what we have. We have install the package ID, uninstall the package ID, update the package ID. So we can install updates for any of the tools we've installed. We can also list the tools that we've installed or run them. Most tools will also install their own stuff to your path, so you'll be able to access them that way. You won't need to go through this .NET CLI. So let's try making that bigger again and see how this works. There we go. And so you can start at Toolkit, so toolkit.net. This is just a browser for these tools. They're published just like any other Nuget package. They're actually using Nuget. You can find these out on Nuget to kind of see what they are and where they're located and all of that stuff. So basically, we just need to search for what we want. If we want PowerShell, we just type PowerShell. And here is our PowerShell. It's at version 7.0. We can just view it on Nuget, and that will show us how to install that. I want to install Nyancat, which is an old plugin. If you've used some of the older shell things, this is a pretty common thing. And it just draws Nyancat to your terminal and just kind of fills the whole screen with memes. And that is great. It definitely shows your boss that you were doing work and definitely not screwing off. So yeah, this is the install version. You can see it's doing .NET Tool install, and then they're installing it globally, and then just giving the package name. You can also specify a specific version if you want to do that, but that's not required. So if you already know what you want to install, you just type .NET tool install, and then we want to install this globally and do Nyancat. And that's it. We're done. Now we're done. And so that's all you have to do to install this. And then this should already have been added to our path, so we can just type Nyancat without even restarting anything. And now we're a toaster cat. So there you go. That's all you need to do to do this. If you want PowerShell, that's there. There's a bunch of other things for just making .NET easier to use. So I figured this was kind of a nice and easy thing to do, but also it's pretty handy if you're looking for development tools for .NET. This can be a good first step to find some of those. And so if you're looking to just improve your development experience, you can start here and kind of look to do those. Or if you just want to automate setting up some of your development environment, a lot of the common things that you might be using are already part of this. And so you can go and grab those, like PowerShell, for example. If you want PowerShell 7, this is how you can install that without having to go and figure out where the installer is located and all of that. You can just type .NET tool install PowerShell. Done. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I guess I'll leave it here, but hopefully this is helpful and you can use it in your projects. If you do, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're using this for. Other than that, I will see you in the next video. So until then, see you, Internet.